welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And now Dwayne is excited. He's so happy about his weight loss, his journey that he's been on, the changed person that he is, and the good stuff that he's now doing. Now we say congratulations, Dwayne, and continue on your journey. Now he is on a different kind of journey, he says, and it's making him so excited. He's so happy. He said, like, every time that I look back on my old video, I feel so excited for where I've come from to where I am right now. And so the journey, it's a journey. Everything in life is a journey. You have to leave from one state to the other. And that's exactly what he's doing. And continuing his journey, he is changing. He's doing a lot of different stuff in different ways that pleases him. And he's happy with himself. So let's big him up and say, go ahead, Dwayne, you can only be yourself. So now you can go ahead and listen to the video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment away.
Hey, and another thing, Porte, big up yourself, because the live you had on your screen showed up, and you said, Lord Jesus Christ. Then I saw me did look. No, sir. People, I am so proud of my journey. Like, I look on that old video that Porty has on her page of me, and I look at myself now, and I've come a long ass way in terms of the weight loss, my weight loss journey, and all of these things. I've come a long way. And I pray to God I never have to go back to that person in that video ever again, Porty. Thank you. Because every time you show me my old videos, it reminds me of the person I don't want to be. So thank you. Thank you, Port. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Guys, please share this video. We have some things to dissect. Please like the video and please share the video, right? Thank you. If you've shared, thank you if you liked it. Now, but guys, listen, when you guys are done, if you guys haven't seen the video, right? Go look. I did stay really bad. Jesus Christ. Father God sees and knows my heart. I know, say. Honestly, all along, I knew who I was. I knew who I was, right? But it took me a long time to get to where I am right now. And I am going to continue to lose the weight by the grace of God. Listen, ain't no backtracking. And I pray to God I won't ever have to be that blown up again like some damn puffer fish. No, darlings, me good. I'm great. I'm amazing. And when I looked at my cheeks in that video, I said, Jesus Christ. Hey, I've gone through some real stuff, I went through so much. I don't know how I'm still this strong. I don't know how I'm still, just fighting my battles and just continue to just trot on, come hell or high house. I'm gonna trot on, And listen, by the grace of God, the reason why I put my background picture on my profile, I want to look at them pictures. Every time I look at them, it reminds me, Dwayne, this is the person you want to go back to. Even if I am lean up on one side, like how they say I'm lean up and the penis lean up, whatever. Like, it is what it is. Long as I am that size and lean up, I'll be happy with that. I'll be happy with that. And by the grace of God, I will get there. I will get there. Yes, it is a whole lot of progress, square. It's listen, look at my facial features. I can see myself coming back slowly but surely. Even if the pace is somewhat slow. Like, listen, I just know for a fact I will never go back to that person ever again. I don't do physio. I do a lot of swimming. I love to swim and I love to do things that, listen, I love swim. Sometimes I don't come my life. I'm at the swimming pool. It's like one myself and in there for hours. When the time done, I go pay again and go back in there again. Like, listen, I'm doing a whole lot to even my mom came to house them sister son, yeah, lose weight to them say, yeah, me know, and it is a good thing. And I'm proud of myself. I'm proud. Listen, at least now them cannot say me swell up no more. If anybody swell up higher, it's other factors, and I'm definitely not swollen, not anymore. Even my thighs and my legs have gotten tremendously smaller. Even if they're not as small as how they were, they're getting there slowly but surely. And listen, when we look at the video, I say, Lord God, hey, and the fact that I was in my blue Adidas tracksuit. No, sir. I don't ever want to go back to that person ever. And I can pray. All I can just pray to God and ask God to help me to not go back to that person, because that person is not me, was never me. Listen, I always call myself Slimmers. I've always called myself a damn Slimmers. And Slimmers, I shall go back to being a Slimmers. Right, that's so. But yeah, my caption says money worries. I almost forgot why I came on that. Money worries. Money worries. Guys, I'm very sure I've not come on my page and asked you guys for help for no more than 4 or 5 people. No more than 4 or 5 people. I can count them all off. Saloni, June. Who else? Oh, Lion got all of her money. Who else? That girl from St. Elizabeth who tried to rob me. Rob my platform. Who else? I can't think of anyone else. If you guys can think of anyone else, please jot their name down in the comments, because I can't think of anyone else right now from the top of my brain. And you know what? Basically, right, I'm very sure the little bit of money won't give me, like that was peanuts. That was peanuts. And now the reason why I'm bringing up the money, right? People are making it seems like it's their platform. It's my platform. This is my platform and my platform only. I am thankful I saw through a lot of people. I said, this is not the route you want to go down. By you want to be coming your page, can be begging continuously. Listen, that is not me, will never be me. When you hear people trying to talk about my mom, my mom has, listen, you see my mom, I am so proud of my mother. I am. My mother is an inspirational person, not just to me, but to all of my siblings, for the mere fact that she left Jamaica in her 30s, 20s, going on 30s, came to Great Britain and had to start all over again to where she's gotten to in life. I am so proud of her. Enough people on here who's talking about, oh, when money gets stolen, mother wanna come out. Some of these people need to remember, when was the last time they've had any paid employment? Listen, I am not here to listen, frig rebutting anything they say. Maud make for chat anything. And darlings, whoever, what they say, Dwayne is this, Dwayne, go right ahead. Do I look like me care? Do I look like I care? I'm very sure I don't. I am very sure I don't. Oh, and guys, I have some voice notes, some recordings I'm gonna play for you guys, so you guys can have a better understanding of what happened when I collected some funds for some people, to which I'm kinda I wish I didn't fell for their webs or their tricks or whatever. Where are the damn people? Why does my life only have 124 people? What's happening? Where are the people? Where are the people? Where are they? What's happening? Oh, so you guys on here right now are my true supporters? Okay. I'll take that. Hey, Dwayne. Hello, Donnelly. Hello, big up yourself. Listen, the most important thing, Vivian, I don't care who wanna believe. Listen, I know who I am. and I know what I'm not, and the fact that I listen, I don't have a platform where I'm begging for people continuously. So whoever want to sit on here and say, oh, the boy this, the boy that, okay, are you done? But the